Good morning, kids. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, parents. I hope that you are all fine. Okay, so today's lesson we are going to continue talking about the mid-vowel words, and today actually we have a very interesting exercise which is sentence fun, as you can see on the board. Okay, parents, this exercise is for your kid, is for your child. So I want you to read these sentences or to write them down on a paper or on your kid's notebook, and please explain to your kid what he or she is doing to do. I'll tell you that we have here 6 sentences. Actually, it's funny sentences. Okay, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences with, as you can see on the side of the board right here, we have mid-vowel words. Okay, now, first of all, I'm going to read the sentences. Number 1, the rat has a. Number 2, Ned fed his. Number 3, the duck has fun in the. Number 4, did the dog tip the. Number 5, is the man mad or. Number 6, did the jet get home? Okay, and about the words here at the side of the board, we have the word yet, yet. We have the word pet. We have the word tub. We have the word dish, and hat, and sad. So as you can see, we have 6 mid-vowel words here. Now, the underlined words, actually, let your child or let your kid read the underlined word and let him or her focus on the vowel sound in these words. For example, number 1, we have rat, we have has. Number 2, we have Ned, fed. Number 3, duck, and fun. I'm reading the underlined words. Number 4, we have dead, tap. Number 5, we have man and mad. Number 6, we have jet and get. So let your child, actually parents, read these underlined words and notice the sound of the vowel in them. This is the first task. Okay, the second task, your child is going to find a matching word or a matching mid-vowel sound word from the words at the side of the board. So if we go back to sentence number 1, we have rat has. So your child is going to find a word from the words at the side of the board that has a same vowel sound for the vowel a. Rat has. Which is the matching word from here? Is it rat has yet, or rat has pet, or rat has tub, or rat has dish, or rat has hat, or rat has sad? Okay, so the second task, your child is going to find a matching mid-vowel sound word from here. Okay, task number 3. you should be sure that the sentence has a meaningful or a meaningful that you have a meaningful sentence. You should be sure that you have a meaningful sentence. We should also here focus on the meaning. So for example, number one. Okay, so for example, number one, we have rat and has, which is the matching word with a meaningful, that gives you a meaningful sentence. Is it hat or sad? That matches with rat and has. So this is a very fun, actually, exercise. Please, if you have any difficulties in doing this exercise with your kid, write in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with as many friends as you can, and subscribe to my channel, Learn English with Miss Aya. Good luck for your kids. Bye bye next time.